channel. Today we will see some JavaScript concepts related to concatenation and addition and all. So we will see that there is a math function and also how we can use it, and so let's get start that video. Okay, so first we will start with creating a new folder. So I'll rename this folder. So I'm typing, let's say, JavaScript. Okay, so JavaScript folder I've created and I'm drag and drop it here. Okay, so yes, I trust the author. Then here I'm creating one file, that is this is folder, JavaScript folder. Okay, inside folder I'm creating a index.html file. Okay, because we are going to cover basic concepts of JavaScript, so we'll do that. Okay, so if I want a boilerplate code, so how could I get this? I'll press shift and exclamation, which is on top, number one. Okay, and press enter, so it will give you the boilerplate. Okay, this is the boilerplate which is needed to run the code. Okay, so here I'm taking one more file, that is let's say app.js. Okay, and if I want to see and if I want to run this file, so how could I do that? So see, if I'm pressing here, right click and open with live server, see it's coming like this, there is nothing here. Also if I want to you know get the code for this file, so how could I get this? Inside index.js file, inside body I need a script, right? And inside the script I'm taking src, where I can give the path, which is app.js, it's recommending. And now I can see the code in my browser, uh, whatever I'm typing inside this file and app.js. Okay, so firstly and foremostly we will see the what is the difference between the adding and in concatenation. So we will go through that. So okay, so I'll type let's say let, and I'm writing a equals to, let's say, 10, right? And if I want to console it, so you can simply type log, or you can do it like console.log, it depends on you. So I'm pasting a, and I want to check the value it's coming or not. So how can I check it? Go to the browser, right click on here and inspect. You can check it inside console. See, the value is coming 10, right? So this is the thing. If I want one more value, let a equals to, so how we can add those values? Not a, another variable need to for that. So let's say I'm taking 20, and if I want the, let's say, sum of a and b is let's say I'm giving a plus b. Okay, so let's see what it's coming here. See, sum of a and b is 30. Okay, so it's coming like this. If I want to check like this is a string or what, so there is one thing for checking this. I can take parenthesis, and I can write here for checking it's a string or a number. So I can write type of. Okay, so see, it's a number, right? It's a number. The type is number, right? If I do here like this, I'm taking this in a string. See what it will return. See, it's returning a string by it's this like this. So a is a string, b is a number. When we add this like a plus b, it will return number. Oh, sorry, it's a string, right? Because when we add a string with number, right, so always the resultant will be the string. Okay, this is the thing. So always the resultant will be the string, right? Keep this thing in mind. uh, Also here we are not doing addition, we are doing concatenation. Whenever we add a string with the number, we do concatenation. Whenever, let's say I'm taking, let's say x equals to, let's say I'm taking 20, and let y equals to 30, right? And if I were to log this, so how could I achieve this? I think I'm not using appropriate. Yes, and here I am type the like sum of x and y is comma x plus y, right? Now we can check the like type of, what is the type of this. So I put parenthesis and I can check it. Type of, right? See, it's a number, right? It's a number. Why it's a number? Because we pass here x equals to 20 and y equals to 30. Both are numbers, not in a string. If I put it in a string, it will return me the string. See, you can check it. See, it's a string. So this is the main difference, right? In concatenation and addition. Concatenation is different, addition is different. Concatenation means we are taking one string plus one string, or we are taking one string plus number, right? So it will return the string. In addition, we take both the values in numbers, right? So this is the major difference. Now we will see what is math function here. So what is the main work of math function, right? So let's say if I have some values, let's say I have let's say p equals to, I have 3.56 in decimal format. So cons, I'm taking console.log. So if I type math.round, m should be capital always for this function. Math.round, if I do it like this and I put p inside it, so what will it return? Math.round. It will round off the value, this 3.56. So here is 5, so it will return plus 1 in 3, so it will return 4, right? So see, here 4 is coming. It will round off the this variable. It's like normal math, we do round off, no? If the value, if this value is greater than or equals to 5, it will return this value plus 1, right? So this is one thing. Also we can check console.log, and if I type math.floor, okay, so what is the work of floor? If I do p here, see what it will return. What is the work of floor? basically floor here. So floor will return the value which is a round of, not round of figure, means the minimum value, we can say. This is 3.56, no? So what is the maximum here? 4. What is the minimum here? 3, right? Means 3.56 is lying between 3 and 4. Okay, so minimum value is 3. So floor means the minimum value, we can say, right? So we can check it, it's coming or not in the browser. So it must be written 3. See, it's returning 3, right? And one more thing here, if we do log for maths dot there is one more seal. So seal means maximum value, right? Floor means minimum, seal means maximum value. So if I pass p here, so it will return 4, which is maximum value. Means 3.56 is lying between 3 and 5. So what is the maximum and minimum? Minimum is 3 and maximum is 4. So seal is returning what? Maximum value, right? So we'll check it. See, it's returning 4, right? And these are the like basic functions, means maths function, which is very much required in further projects. So basic is, mandatory to like cover. So there is like these functions. If I have one more function, like I have, there is trunk function. So what is the role of trunk here? Maths dot trunk, this one. If I pass p inside it, what it will do, it will remove all decimal values, right? It's not like floor. Floor means it will give minimum value, right? But in trunk it always return the integer value, not the decimal part. Okay, if it is like 4.6, 4.8, 4.9, so it will return always the like integer part, not the decimal part, right? So it will automatically like remove this decimal portion. So it, the answer should be 3. We can check it in the console. See, 3 is coming. Okay, yes. And we have we have sqrt, right? So if I like want to find the square root of I'll try this way. Maths dot sqrt of like 20, not 2016, okay, or let's say 36. See, it's returning sync. Xqrt means the square root of 36 means so it's a square root of 6. Okay, so answer is here sqrt. Then we have absolute also, like if I have let's say let z is equals to negative 10. Okay, z is equals to negative 10. If I do log here, console.log for maths dot absolute apps is a short form z, so it will return positive 10. See, coming right now. So these are the basic function of maths. Mm, there is also minimum and maximum. So let's say we have okay, first we'll find minimum. So this will take some parameters, like more than, we can pass it more than one or two variables, more than two variables it required. So let's say 2, 5, 6, 7. Okay, it will find the minimum value. Minimum is 2, right? See, minimum is 2. And same for max, we can check it. Maths dot max, let's say we can pass 10, 4, 6, 1,000, 56, 9,000. So it will return maximum value. See, 9,000. Okay. If I want like values till some decimal places, let's say let t is equals to, we have 3.5 like 65782, like that, random numbers. So if I want two decimal places, my answer, I want from two decimal places. So how could I do that? I can do like t dot, we use two fixed. Okay, and I want till two places, it will return 3.65, 3.66, right? It round up the value. See, because here 7, right? So it round up this figure. Okay, if I want till three places, so it will return 3.658. See, correct? So this is the basic maths function. Okay, so if you have any doubt related, you can ask in the chat box. I'll answer that. If I uh, you know you have any kind of a doubt, you can share related to this, so I'll answer that.